Hello everyone, happy 2018. Welcome to Be You Fully. My name is Anna and we are here to wish you from the bottom of our hearts, with all the positive energy and vibrations and everything, with all of the positive good stuff. We are here to wish you an amazing 2018. I'm here also to let you know about the efforts that we took to create this toolkit called Smart Your Goals. As the name goes, we are using within this toolkit, you'll have access to the SMART criteria, often used for project management and staff performance. We also included the Wheel of Life, which is an amazing tool, once again used by life coaches. There is visualization techniques, there is a bunch of beautiful, juicy, nice, amazing things. Don't worry too much, it's not full of techniques, it's just the most important ones. Because we want to make sure that we all get from life what we want to, you know. And being happy is also a responsibility, so please do embrace that responsibility. Make sure to be happy, because happiness is also contagious. Someone happy will contagious everyone else. So yes, please subscribe, send us an email, get your kit. Here I am going off track because the sun is shining and life is very, very beautiful. Wishing you all once again a beautiful, amazing 2018. May you get what you wish for but all of the change will start within you. So make the first step. Subscribe. Until soon, happy 2018, beautiful. Bye. See you soon.